Hello students, today we are going to talk about water and it's a triple point. Water is having very importance in our real life or in our scientific life. Water is having various different properties that are not available with other different materials. Okay, so that is why water has become very importance in physics. Okay, so in thermodynamics water is having a property of like called triple point, and one more property is there with water. Whenever it is being cooled, okay, so up to a specific temperature its volume used to decrease, and after some time its volume used to increase. And most thing, it is having three different states that can be easily achieved by someone. Okay, so no need to go for some laboratories and all. Easily one can see the three states of the water. As we know, water is having three states like solid in the form of ice, liquid in the form of water, and gas in the form of steam. So whenever in our daily life we used to see, we used to have water. Water can be in the form of ice also. We have seen water is available there, and it can be converted into steam also. Okay, so this water states can be controlled by temperature and pressure. Like for example, if somebody asks you what is the boiling temperature of the water, so my answer will be boiling temperature of the water will be equal to the temperature at which the pressure applied by the water will become equal to the atmospheric pressure. So on atmospheric pressure, like if we are on the ground or on earth or normal ground, not in the hill area, so that time if we are providing heat to the water, so that time what will happen? When water heat is getting, so temperature will increase. So accordingly temperature increase, its pressure also will increase. When its pressure will become equal to the atmospheric pressure, that time it will start to boil. Okay, so sometime we used to say like 100 degrees centigrade. Okay, for ground it is okay, but in general we cannot say like 100 degrees centigrade is the boiling temperature of water. We can say for ground like 1 atmospheric pressure if it is there. So if even if we are going to the hill areas, okay, on hill area it will be less than 100, so very soon it will become boil. So because their pressure is very low. So depending on the atmospheric pressure, water temperature will decide what is the boiling point of the water. So accordingly we will discuss about the triple point of the water. So if we see a triple point of the water, so the graph of the water used to come like this. Okay, so the triple point of the water is the temperature and pressure at which water can have three states together in equilibrium. Equilibrium means all three states can be visualized. So solid, liquid and gas, three states one can visualize very easily. Okay, so this is called triple point, and it is available at a fixed point of temperature and pressure. Okay, it means what we have to do, we have to fix the temperature and pressure to a particular value. Then we can see water as a solid, liquid and gas in three states. So you see the curve. This curve is showing when I am increasing the temperature on this line, my temperature is increasing, accordingly pressure is increasing. But at a one point when I am reaching, so at this point, after that if I am increasing the temperature, the pressure is varying somewhat parabolic type of thing. Oh, okay, if I am reducing the temperature and pressure also I am increasing, then it will follow this curve. Okay, so curve 1, curve 2 and curve 3. So if you see, if I am having my temperature below 0 degree centigrade, okay, below 0 degree centigrade, and my temperature is 0 degree less than 0 degree centigrade, and that time if I am increasing the pressure, so what will happen? This will contain the solid state. So water will have solid state. And same condition if I am increasing the temperature, but my pressure is following this line. So that time if temperature is away from this line, so it will follow the gas. Okay, gas state. And if the pressure and temperature are lying in this two curve, this curve and curve 2 and curve 3, so that time my water will be in terms of liquid state. Okay, so there is a point T at which one can see water as solid, liquid and gas. All three states are available at this point. So this particular point is called triple point, and this point is the equilibrium point. Equilibrium means things are in stable mode, one can easily visualize, and this triple point for the water is having a temperature of 0.01 degree centigrade and pressure of 0.00603 atmospheric pressure. Okay, if I am containing my water at this point, okay, temperature 0.01 degree centigrade and this much 0.00603, so this time water will have three states. Three states means solid, liquid and gases. One case can easily visualize all these three states. Okay, so this is all about our triple point of the water. Okay, or in Hindi we call it as a त्रिकोण बिंदु of water. Thank you.